Hi, it's James here from Totally Wild UK, and today we're going to be looking at mushroom spore flowcharts. It sounds a bit weird, but this is the thing that people do when you go out with foragers and they pick up a mushroom and they turn it around in their hands, rip it in half, give it a smell, stuff like that. These are the things that they're doing, whether they're doing it consciously or unconsciously. What we're going to look at is the cogs of how they identify, and we've called it a mushroom spore flowchart. So today we're going to go through our spore flowcharts, and we're going to do it looking at hedgehog mushrooms, the Hydnum mushrooms. So we'll start off by taking a look at the general look at the mushroom. So we're going to say we found a mushroom. We'll ask this question to start with a stem, and then we turn it upside down. Does it have gills or gill-like ridges? And if we found a hedgehog mushroom, we know it doesn't. It'll have spikes. So we're going to say no to that. So the next one we're going on is we found a mushroom growing from the ground with a cap, stem, and no gills. So it doesn't have gills or gill-like ridges. So it could have spikes, it could have a spongy underside, anything like that. So now it's saying, great, don't worry about taking a spore print. We're going to head straight to page 27. So page 27, cap, stem, no gills growing on the floor. Fantastic. So first question, we always start with a blue. Does the cap have pores or spikes on the underside? So if it's pores, we go to the right, and if it's spikes, we come down here. So we'll know from the hedgehog mushrooms that they have spikes growing from underneath them. So the next question is, with a hairy or furry stem and a very small cap, about 1 to 2 centimeters. So we're going to say no to that. The cap's typically much larger than 1 to 2 centimeters. And that's it. I think that was 4 questions, and we're down to the Hydnum, the hedgehog mushrooms, which are a fantastic bunch of edibles. We've got much more details on them and lookalikes and stuff like that further down. But that's it, 4 or 5 questions down to the Hydnums, the hedgehogs.